Want to manage and troubleshoot hardware on Windows 10? Device Manager gives you a simple way to check devices, manage drivers, and find hardware problems. In this guide, I'll show you how to use Device Manager step by step. First, click Start and search for Device Manager. Select it from the results. You can also click the Start button and choose Device Manager from the menu. Device Manager organizes your computer's hardware into categories. You'll find display adapters, network adapters, Bluetooth, keyboards, mice, USB controllers, and more. Click the arrow beside a category to expand it. To inspect a device, right-click it and select Properties. On the General tab, check Device Status. If Windows says the device is working properly, it is being recognized normally. Next, open the Driver tab. Here you can check the driver provider, date, and version. Depending on the device, you can update, roll back, or uninstall the driver. For more detailed information, open the Details tab. Use the Property menu to view hardware IDs and other device information. This can be useful when identifying unknown hardware or finding a compatible driver. If a device isn't visible, open View and select Show Hidden Devices. You can also select Action and then scan for hardware changes to refresh the device list. Watch for yellow warning icons next to devices. If you see one, open Properties and check Device Status. Windows may provide an error message or code that can help identify the problem. You can also check Windows Update for driver updates. Open Settings, select Update and Security, then Windows Update. Choose Check for Updates and install anything available. And that's how to use Device Manager on Windows 10. You can check hardware, manage drivers, view device information, and troubleshoot errors. So keep these tools in mind whenever a device isn't working correctly.